Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn our next part of Module 7th, Part B, that is The Journey by Mary Oliver. In the previous lecture, we learned about the Module number 6, Part B, the particular poem Atowrek by Carl Shapiro. That is about the road accident and the tendency of human beings, and also I shared one of the file of the notes and theme of the poem Atowrek and the journey as well on Telegram group. And now we are going to learn the module number 7th part B, the journey by Mary Oliver. See, first of all, the introduction of the author. Mary Oliver is an American poet, and he born in 1935. That is, America's finest poet was born in 1935 in Maple Heights, Ohio. She attended both Ohio State University and Vassar College, but did not receive a degree from either institution. Her poetry has won numerous awards, including the Pulitzer Prize, the National Book Award, and a Lannan Literary Award. Known for clear and poignant observations and evocative use of the natural world, Oliver's poetry is firmly rooted in the romantic nature tradition. Her book, New and Selected Poems. See, here are the her books. That is, New and Selected Poems, written in 1992, won the National Book Award. She celebrates the natural world in later collections, including Winter Hours, prose poems, and poems in 1999, Why I Wake Early in 2004, New and Selected Poems, Volume 2nd, published in 2004, and Swan Poems and Prose Poems in 2010. See, Mary Oliver is best known for her poems on nature. She is considered one of the foremost modern romantics of her time, appealing to those who are sensitive to environmental issues and those looking for spiritual awakening. Nature for her is a constant revelation. She gets inside the skin and whispers back in intimate style to her readers. She is known as a modern romantics of her time, and also she is aware about the environmental issues as well. That here is a paragraph from your book from page number 183 about the poem The Journey. The poem focuses on the need to leave behind what is bad and wrong and harmful and start out on a new path. It has become a popular poem for those seeking guidance and strength in their life. It is a poem of transformation. It is written in free verse. See why it is called as a transformation? Due to the journey of life, there is so many transformations in our life. And in your youth, you have to face the transformations in your life and take some kind of decisions for to transform your life, and you have to choose a new path for your career, for your future. It is one of the best example for your positivity in life, attitude towards life, and at the same time how you can won many things in your life due to the positivity and the particular guidance and strength in your life. So Read the poem carefully and try to understand why it is named as the journey and what is the important part in the life, that is journey of your life. How you are going to decide anything which will change your life. See, the journey is a little different in that it is more involved with the life of a person who is struggling to find meaning in a relationship and with themselves. The references to the natural world are few and distant. This poem is about necessity for change, leaving one dark situation and finding another that is more positive. See how you learn the positivity in your life. In this period of lockdown, you must find out positivity in your life. There is frustration due to the coronavirus, and we never know where is the particular path of life is going, and the dark situation created due to that virus, we have to face that situation and lead our journey of our life. So you must be positive for our journey in our life. This person who one day finally knew what they had to do is someone who is coming in from the cold into the light from the dark, rejoining the world of the whole, finding their own voice, no longer a broken individual. So, you have to come from the dark into the light. Try to understand the situations. Try to face the situations which are a struggling one, and you have to struggle for some time, and afterwards there is the change, the positive change in your life. So here this is the gist of the poem. In the next lecture we will see the line by line analysis of the poem.